Unleash your skin's potential. An acne scar is not merely a mark, but a story of a battle your skin has fought. They're a widespread issue, appearing in different forms, depressed, raised, or even as dark spots. But why do they occur? It's a tale of collagen production and hyperpigmentation, two key factors contributing to their formation. But, fret not, acne scars can be lightened or even reduced through a myriad of treatments. From dermatological procedures to at-home remedies, the options are plenty, each one harnessing the power of beneficial ingredients like retinoids and salicylic acid. This information, sourced from the National Health Service, emphasizes the importance of personalized recommendations from a dermatologist for effective scar management. Ready to reclaim your radiant skin? Let's explore 8 scientifically backed ways to bid farewell to those pesky acne scars. First, we need to understand why acne scars happen. Acne scars are more than just a blemish on the skin. They are the intriguing result of our body's healing process. When acne breakouts penetrate the skin deeply, they damage the skin and the tissue beneath it. As the acne begins to heal, your body rushes to repair the damage by stimulating collagen production. Collagen, a naturally occurring protein in our bodies, acts as a kind of scaffold, providing structure and strength to our skin. But sometimes, in its haste to heal, the body either produces too much collagen, resulting in a raised scar, or too little, leading to a depressed scar. It's a delicate balance, and the body doesn't always get it right. Hyperpigmentation or dark spots are another common type of acne scar. These are not true scars, but rather post-inflammatory changes in the skin. When the skin is inflamed, it produces more melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color. This overproduction can darken and discolor the skin, leading to persistent dark spots long after the acne has healed. This leads us to the different types of acne scars. Depressed scars, also known as atrophic or pitted scars, are the most common type. They occur when the body produces too little collagen during the healing process, causing the skin to depress or sink in. On the other hand, raised scars, also known as hypertrophic or keloid scars, occur when the body overproduces collagen, causing the skin to raise or bump up. These scars are more common on the chest and back, but can also occur on the face. Dark spots, as previously mentioned, are caused by an overproduction of melanin and are not true scars, but they can still be a stubborn reminder of acne. Knowing is half the battle. With this understanding, we can tackle these scars effectively. Now that we've laid the groundwork, we're ready to delve into the myriad of treatment options and lifestyle changes that can help manage and reduce acne scars. So, stick around for the next part of our journey as we explore how to say goodbye to acne scars for good. Step into the world of dermatology, where science meets skincare. Here, we'll explore some fascinating procedures that have proven to be effective in reducing the appearance of acne scars. First on our list is chemical peeling. This is a process where a chemical solution is applied to the skin to remove the top layer and reveal a smoother, healthier layer beneath. The new skin is less scarred and has a more uniform color and texture. This procedure can be customized to suit individual skin types and scar severity. Next, we have laser treatments. This cutting-edge technology uses focused light to remove damaged skin cells and stimulate the growth of fresh, new cells. The result? Reduction in the visibility of acne scars and a more even skin tone. Laser treatments come in various forms, each tailored for different kinds of acne scarring. Thirdly, we have fillers. These are substances injected into the skin to lift depressed acne scars, making them less noticeable. Fillers can be composed of substances like collagen or hyaluronic acid, which naturally occur in our bodies. This procedure can lead to dramatic improvements, but it's important to note that the results are not permanent and treatments may need to be repeated over time. Next up, let's not forget microdermabrasion. This is a minimally invasive procedure that gently exfoliates the skin's top layer. It works by using tiny crystals that are sprayed onto the skin to remove the outer layer of old, dead skin cells. This reveals a new layer of skin that's smoother and more radiant. These procedures aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. They must be tailored to each individual's unique skin type, scar severity, and overall health. It's also crucial to remember that while these treatments can reduce the appearance of acne scars, they may not eliminate them entirely. These procedures, while effective, should be carried out by qualified professionals to ensure the best results. Let's move on to our fifth way to get rid of your acne scars. Harness the power of nature with effective at-home remedies. Now this is where the magic happens, right in your own home. There's a world of natural, easily accessible ingredients out there that can work wonders on acne scars. Let's talk about a few of them. First up, we have retinoids. These vitamin A derivatives are a skincare superstar. They work by speeding up cell turnover, effectively pushing fresher, smoother skin to the surface. This process helps to reduce the appearance of acne scars over time. Retinoids are widely available in over-the-counter creams, serums, and gels. Next up, salicylic acid. This is a beta-hydroxy acid you'll often find in acne products. Why? Because it's great at penetrating the pores and exfoliating from within. When it comes to acne scars, salicylic acid can help shed the top layer of skin, revealing a smoother complexion underneath. It's also an anti-inflammatory which can help calm redness and swelling. Now let's talk about some natural ingredients. Aloe vera, for instance, is known for its healing properties. It's rich in vitamins A, C, E, and B12, all of which promote skin health and can help fade acne scars. Another great natural remedy is honey. This sweet treat is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. It's also packed with antioxidants, which can help repair skin and protect it from oxidative stress. Finally, there's turmeric. This spice isn't just for cooking. It contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, which can help lighten acne scars and improve overall skin health. But remember, these remedies aren't quick fixes. They require consistent use over a period of time to show results. Remember, patience is key. Consistent use of these remedies can bring noticeable change over time. Now onto lifestyle changes. Revamp your lifestyle for healthier skin. Indeed, the way we live our daily lives can have a profound impact on our skin's health and appearance, including the presence of acne scars. Let's start with what we put on our plates. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides the nutrients our skin needs to repair itself and stay healthy. Foods high in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens help combat the damaging effects of free radicals. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and walnuts promote skin elasticity and can aid in scar healing. On the other hand, foods high in sugars and fats can trigger inflammation, which might exacerbate acne and its after effects. Regular exercise is another crucial component of a skin-friendly lifestyle. When we work up a sweat, we're not just burning calories, but also helping our skin. Exercise improves blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to our skin cells more efficiently. This increased blood flow aids in collagen production, a key factor in skin healing and the reduction of acne scars. Now let's talk about hydration. Our bodies are about 60% water, and our skin is no exception. Keeping well hydrated helps maintain skin moisture, elasticity, and overall health. Drinking plenty of water can help flush toxins out of the body, reducing inflammation and promoting healing, which can all contribute to minimizing the appearance of acne scars. Remember, lifestyle changes are not overnight miracles. They require consistency and commitment. But the rewards are well worth it. Not only will these changes help reduce acne scars, but they'll also promote overall health and well-being. And there's a bonus. The confidence that comes from leading a healthy lifestyle and seeing your skin improve can be a powerful boost to your self-esteem. So it's not just about looking better, it's about feeling better too. A healthy lifestyle goes a long way in maintaining radiant skin. It's time to embrace these changes and let your skin shine. Lastly, shield your skin from the sun's rays. This is a crucial step in preventing the worsening of acne scars and hyperpigmentation. You see, when our skin is exposed to the sun without protection, it can trigger an increase in melanin production. This excess melanin can darken acne scars, making them more noticeable and harder to treat. But how can we protect our skin from the sun effectively? The answer lies in using a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily, regardless of the weather. Broad spectrum means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. UVA rays can prematurely age your skin, causing wrinkles and age spots, while UVB rays can burn your skin. It's recommended to use a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, and remember to reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or excessive sweating. So next time you step out, make sure to slather on that sunscreen. It's not just about avoiding a sunburn. It's about maintaining the health and appearance of your skin, particularly if you're dealing with acne scars. Remember, sun protection is not just for the beach, it's a daily necessity. When in doubt, seek professional help. It's a saying we've all heard, and it's especially true when it comes to your skin. You see, your skin is a complex organ, and sometimes to truly tackle the issue of acne scars, it's best to call in the experts. Dermatologists are professionals who specialize in skin health. They are equipped with the knowledge and tools to provide personalized recommendations that can significantly improve the appearance of your acne scars. They understand the science behind skin healing, collagen production, and hyperpigmentation, which are all key factors contributing to the formation of acne scars. Just as every person is unique, so too is every skin type. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. That's why, when it comes to managing acne scars, a one-size-fits-all approach often falls short. Your dermatologist can tailor a treatment plan to your specific skin type, the severity of your scars, and your skin's response to certain treatments. Dermatologists have access to a variety of treatment options beyond what's available over the counter. From in-office procedures like laser therapy and microneedling to prescription-strength topical treatments, these professionals can offer solutions that might be more effective than at-home remedies. Remember, a professional consultation is not just about getting a prescription. It's an opportunity to learn about your skin and understand the root cause of your acne scars. It's about educating yourself on how to take care of your skin today and how to protect it in the future. So, don't hesitate to reach out to a dermatologist. They can guide you on your journey to clearer, healthier skin and help you find the confidence that comes with it. Your skin is unique, and so should be your skincare routine. We've journeyed through the science of acne scars and their treatment. Together, we've unraveled the intricacies of these pesky skin issues, from understanding their formation to exploring various ways to combat them. We've delved into dermatological procedures, shedding light on the wonders of modern medicine. We've also ventured into the realm of at-home remedies and lifestyle changes, proving that sometimes the solution is closer than we think. But remember, each journey is unique. What works for one might not work for another. Patience and consistency are key. And while we can do much on our own, never underestimate the value of professional guidance. Consulting a dermatologist can provide personalized recommendations, ensuring effective scar management. So, here's to better skin and a better you. Did you find this video useful? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to lower your blood pressure naturally, watch the video on your screen next. Remember, your skin deserves the best.